Return of a legend. Marvellous. We'll be riding that shortly. Can't wait. Here we are. Look at this. BSA Scrambler. Yeah. Marvellous, isn't it? I think this is the bike that they should have brought out before the Gold Star. Yeah. I mean, it's a Gold Star Scrambler, but I mean, they could have just brought it out as a BSA Scrambler 650. I don't know what you think. Radiators tidied up. Look, that's marvellous, isn't it? Done a grand job there. It's I just think it's spectacular. It really is. I hope they bring this out and bring it out soon. I reckon it'll be a lot more money though, looking at it. Everything looks a little bit higher quality, but there you go, we'll see. Anyway, I've got the rest of the show to go and look at. It's got no tail light on though. Clearly a prototype, isn't it? No tail light. Where's that? And this? Oh, I can't see it. No, I was hoping there might be an LED in the frame, but there's not. No indicators. But that's very special, I think. Marvellous. Right, here we are. Yeah, this is the BSA Gold Star course, but this is the colour that I'd go for, I think, rather than the special. I think they're a bit cheaper, but yeah, we'll see. Have a look at the rest, see what you think. What I did want to show you, yeah, right, so this is the BSA luggage. Doesn't look bad, to be honest. I'm trying to get going quick so that the song doesn't start. Yeah, and a little tank bag. Yeah, doesn't look bad, does it? Yeah, should be alright with that lot. Marvellous. Right, here we are over at the Heralds. I mean, look at that. Marvellous. I think that's just a 125. But look at them. They're absolutely splendiferous. You know, if you're a kid, 125. I mean, look at this. I think they're 125s. There's no label on them. I mean, look at that clock. Just marvellous. Little calf racer. Can you imagine that? It's just brilliant. And this one here is a marvellous colour. It's absolutely splendiferous. This chap's going to get on it. So you can see the size. Just marvellous. But these scramblers, the scramblers are just terrific. And look at that. Don't know what CC that is. But it is marvellous, isn't it? Maverick 250. I mean, that is just perfect, isn't it? 125. Doesn't look much different around the front here. Look at that baby. Yeah, they're really capturing. And I can tell you, while I'm here, yeah, there's lots of us old boys looking at them, but there is an awful lot of interest from younger kids. I don't blame them, because they're quite smart bikes, aren't they? I'd love to test ride one of those. Excellent. Yeah, marvellous. Let's have a look at this one. So this is like that calf racer. This is just marvellous. Nice long tank. So retro looking. Absolutely marvellous. Classic 125. Brilliant. Well, here we are. Look at this. Yeah, Super Meteor at last. Having a little look. Very nice in this colour. Two round things, but only one club. Yeah, nice big seat. What do you think? It doesn't look bad, does it? I'll tell you what, it looks top quality. Can't argue with that. What I've got to do is have a sit on it, isn't it? So I'll just have to. I think I've got to sit on it. Look, it's got roundy things for turning it on and off. That's marvellous. Of course, that Interceptor engine, that 650 twin, perfect, absolutely perfect. So what we got? Look, I'm on it, yeah. Mickey Mouse mirrors, round clocks, roundy things for starting and stopping. That's marvellous, isn't it? That lovely big fat tank in front of you. I thought the foot pegs would be too far forward, they're not. Just don't know. Well, I'm going to have to wait till it's back on the road, isn't it? And then have a go and see how we get from there. But it's just marvellous. Absolutely splendiferous. Yeah. Because this is one we're going to see long before, isn't it? So I'll have a sit on this as well. Of course, it's the 350 engine, we know. It looks really, really nice. Absolutely marvellous. I've got to say, let's see what it's like to sit on. Oh yeah, I could imagine myself muttering on this. Roundy clocks as well. Absolutely splendiferous. What could I say? Can't wait to get on it. So, next time I sit on one of those, I'll be going down the road. That's just marvellous, isn't it? In red there, they've got a red one there, and in silver over there. It's just marvellous. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. That's marvellous, isn't it? 350. Yeah, it's like a Desert Storm one. I never knew they were doing that. Hopefully they're bringing that out. That'd be marvellous, wouldn't it, as well? And an all black one, yeah, marvellous. For Royal Enfield, they get everything dead right straight away. That's unbelievable, isn't it? Right, here at the NEC, Motorcycle Live. And I'm looking at the National Motorcycle Museum. Got Triumph Type R Roadster 500cc. That's marvellous, isn't it? Looks like a bit of a bone shaker, but this one looks better already. Nice big springs, look at that. Oh, that's a racer, isn't it? What is that? 1934. Look at that. 510 500cc. I bet that went round trappers. That is really nice. I like that. Yeah. And next one. Look, everyone's too busy looking at new bikes, so this is empty, it's easy. 1945 prototype 350 twin. Yeah. And 1954 650. Look at that. That is nice, isn't it? That's got to be the start of the Bonneville's, hasn't it? I don't know what I'm talking about, but that is marvellous, isn't it? Very nice. Norton with sidecar, yeah, that's marvellous. Rosas, got Rosas on the Triumph Bonneville, that's marvellous. Keep your legs dry, that's what I need, all weather, isn't it, to ride all year round. Look at all the switchgear and telephone on your bike, marvellous. 1965 Triumph Police Machine 650 T110 Steve McQueen replica. Look at that. It's just replica, you understand. Marvellous. And Bandit 350. Now this is what Triumph should do now. Look at that. Don't recall that at all. It's just marvellous. 1971. And called Bonneville T140 750. Oh, speed triple. What else can you say? Not a boy bike. And of course the new BSA there, I don't know what that's doing here. Marvellous. Look at this AA machine. Unbelievable. 1939 Chatterley 545. Imagine that coming and breaking, fixing it. And I can see at some point in the future, when your electric car's broken down, when you've run out of battery, someone coming on one of these to fix it. Yeah, because it's all be left. Yeah, marvellous. But National Motorcycle Museum. Marvellous. Look at these are magnificent, aren't they? Urals, yeah, we've seen a few. Remember, on my mutters, these are just absolutely magnificent. Carry petrol, the lot, spare wheel on the back. Look at it. Oh, I'm in love with it. That is just marvellous. Look at that. Yeah, lots of different colours. Because I've deliberately not watched any of the videos, no I haven't, all this is a surprise for me. I wanted everything to be a surprise, otherwise you don't get my proper reaction, do you? But these are absolutely splendiferous, and some marvellous colours too. Matte black one, that's marvellous, and Kawasaki green, look at that. That's a beast and a half. Marvellous. Right, so I'm going to sit on one. Yeah, that's marvellous, isn't it? Let me just get rid of my bag. That's brilliant. Right, here we are. Foot on. There we go. Oh, and I'm on. Look at that. Can you imagine me muttering from there? Round clock. Oh, what's that? On and off park brake. Look at that. It's got a park brake, everything. Controlled. Oh, looks really well built. Look at that. Mrs. Tame in the sidecar, that'd be brilliant. Screen on. Wouldn't get around the traffic so well. Mickey Mouse mirrors, of course. Hand guards. Look at that. Cable clutch, that's fine. And those marvellous cylinders down there with, oh, look at that. Yeah, crash bar there, steering damper, no it's not steering damper, oh steering damper here, so presumably you can wind that up if you get a bit of a wobble. Absolutely splendiferous, excellent, love it. Well, look at this, yeah, AGS Little Scrambler 125, that's just marvellous. And over here, look at that, the road bike that I often see at Ston and Barnes, isn't it? One of those. Cadwell. They're just marvellous. Is it 125? Yeah, I reckon that's 125. Scooter. And here, people were wondering about the youth and motorbikes, but look at that. He's starting young. That's marvellous. What else we got? They are splendiferous bikes. I really do need to get out and try one of these. Tempest. Look at that. There you go. In blue. Marvellous. In silver. Black. What's this one? Don't know what this one's called. Oh, it's the Scrambler again. That's marvellous. Didn't recognise it. And all black. Look at that. That's quite nice, isn't it? Just marvellous. Yeah. Orange Tempest. Definitely need to get out and test ride some of these. And of course, the heritage that they sort of have, don't have, but we've got to face it. AGS used to build bikes. Look at that one. All junk and scrap, someone once said. But I think these little bikes are marvellous, and they're absolutely ideal for kids. If anything can get kids riding again, it'll be these.
You like that, do you?
I do like that.
Oh, sorry, you were talking to that.
That's all right. Yeah.
You can win one.
I know. That'd be marvellous, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
But I do like them. I need to get out and test ride them. Yeah, they're perfect. Anyway, that's it. AGS. Ta-ta. Here we are. Triumph. Yeah. Chrome. It's exactly what it's been crying out for, isn't it? Look at that. That is just marvellous. Absolutely the bee's knees. I've got to get down to Suffolk Triumph, haven't I? And have a look when they get their chrome ones in. If they ever get one. They might not get one. These might be so limited that you can't. I don't know. Look at that. Absolutely marvellous. Sorry if I'm saying that word a lot, but there's nothing else for it. Is there? Look at that. £14,000. Yeah, I could do with one of those in my life. I'm at Triumph and I turned round and I thought Mrs. Tame was here. Yeah, marvellous. It's a jacket, couldn't believe it. Look at that. Chrome, 2170. Can you believe that? Look at that. That is just marvellous, isn't it? Chrome and blue. And that's what it looks like when someone's on it. That's marvellous, isn't it? Absolutely splendiferous. All chrome down the middle, and that sky blue that I like with the orange. That's marvellous, isn't it? The one last look at the Meteor. Hopefully the music won't spoil it, but marvellous. Look, I reckon this is to compete with the BSA Scrambler. That'd be marvellous, wouldn't it? Look at that. Royal Enfield Interceptor Scrambler. Just marvellous. Look at that little bitty clock. That's marvellous. Nice paint job. The Highland. Yeah, that's marvellous. Right, so here we go. Aerial, look at that. 345cc, 3 brake horsepower. Yeah. And there's another aerial, a 1927, 500cc, 20 brake horsepower. Just about the same as your classic 350. And an aerial wing 350, 1942, 17 brake horsepower. Obviously used for the army, look. Yeah, and then 1949, 500 aerial. And then of course the famous Square 4, and then a modern day aerial. Look at that, marvellous. Back in the playing field, yeah, marvellous, isn't it? All these bikes coming back to life, it's just incredible. But I think that's about it for the NEC, yeah. I'm about burnt out. There's another one, look at that. That's marvellous, isn't it? A proper version. It's just incredible. Yeah. And so I think we'll be heading home shortly, unless something else comes along. So hope you've enjoyed what I've managed to put together, if the music hasn't stopped it. That's marvellous.